My name is Jim Parkin. My medium is fine art photography. I got started at a young age. I had my first camera at about 12 years old. And I've been photographing people, places, and things ever since. After I retired from corporate life about 22 years ago, I bought a motorhome. My wife and I traveled for 11 years full time. And during that time, I developed a large quantity of photographic art that I could summarize best as North American landscapes. What I'll be showing in the studio tour will focus on southwestern landscapes because we're in the Southwest. I will also have a free print giveaway for people who sign up for my newsletter on my website. I will be at Leah Kaiser's house in Valago.